how to convert currency in the newest calculator app on your iPhone device. Hello guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. This is a step-by-step guide and it should be easy to follow. Now of course, the first requirement in order for this method to work is updating your device to the newest iOS 18. To do that, you can just head over to your system settings. From here, navigate through General, and inside we then have our software update. If you're already on the iOS 18, then we can now proceed. Just go ahead and open up the calculator application, and once inside, you will be able to see a new button right here. This is basically the calculator icon. Just go ahead and click on it, and from here we then have the scientific calculator, math notes, which is one of the newest features that Apple has put out, and just below that we have convert. You can just go ahead and click on this switch right here and this menu will show up. So if I go ahead and type something like 800 pesos right here, it will then convert that into EU, or which is basically Europe, I guess, and you should be good to go. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.